Tim, guess what? I bought some tech. I know, I was excited. It's off Amazon. I'm doing an unboxing. That was easy. And it is an Amazon TV Fire Stick. Simplify your TV experience. It's got Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, ITV Odd, TV Player, 4, Curzon, Disney. Where's iPlayer? You better have iPlayer on it because that's the main reason I got it, was for iPlayer. Doesn't mention iPlayer. Should have checked that, shouldn't I? Box is a bit battered. It's got a lot of writing on the back. It says, great performance, picture and Dolby Audio support. Fire Stick TV simplifies your streaming experience with convenient TV controls, more power than the previous generation to access fast streaming in full HD and support enhanced audio clarity of Dolby Atmos on selected titles. Thousands of apps, Alexa skills and channels. Stream your YouTube, ITV Hub, all 4, My 5 and many others. Watch your favourites with subscriptions to Netflix now. Prime Video, already got. Disney Plus, watch live news, sport and more. Alexa voice remote with TV controls. Press and hold the voice and easily access to launch and decide to soundbar receive. You can also do more with your TV. Phones are smart with new Alexa skill voice functionality, service camera feeds, and stream millions of songs through actual Amazon Music, Spotify subscription. I'm a bit bored, I'm a bit angry now. Oh, it's got a sticker there, but it's got arrows on the sticker, so we can actually. Is that how it works? Do you pick that bit off and it tears it right the way through? Oh, look at that! Like a plaster. And then look, it opens up. And then inside, we've got this, which is a remote. For the HDMI. I thought it just plugged straight into your TV. That's the actual stick. That's charge cable. What's that for? What's a charge cable? Oh, it needs to plug into a plug. Is that what this is? Because this is really heavy. No, it's 2 batteries. Assume they're for your remote. And, yeah, it is your plug. It even says, I'm a celebrity. Get me here on it. Okay then. So we've got that. Now it's time to try and set it up. Wish me luck. Right then, I plugged it in. The extension, turns out you need that because of the, God's sake, of the closeness of other HDMI sockets. So your remote cover is huge that comes off. See that? It's massive, massive. So put the batteries in. That way. Slide the cover back on, and then we've got a blue light then. Let's turn it on. I don't know if I'm on the right screen or not, to be fair. Don't think I am. Let's go to the next screen. Oh, there we go. Pulse the power emper. That one. English. Where do you go down? Do you take this off? Yeah, there you go. United Kingdom. And for networks. Right, I'm going to have to put pause on here. Just let me get the thing in, the code. Which one's mine? Oh god. Right, so I've logged in on the Wi-Fi in the house and it's now downloading the latest software. Of course it's downloading the latest software. Why wouldn't it download the latest software? I kind of got this because I don't have an aerial, a proper aerial in the living room. It fell off the roof last year, so I've been using one of them crappy indoor ones. And it's just like really annoying. Right, it's gone off. Now it's gone back on again. I always thought they plugged into the USB. I'll be honest with you, I never thought they would HDMI. Grab a beer while I'm waiting. Installing the latest software. So I plugged the plug in, shoved the USB into the plug, and then plugged it into the Fire Stick, and then plugged that into the HDMI. Because obviously being HDMI, you can't get power from HDMI, can you? So it does need it in a separate unit. Would you plug it into the telly? Would that just drain the telly too much? Nobody knows. Still, they half updated the software. Right, I'm going to pause this until it's finished. Okay, so it's now installed and come up with this screen. And there's some little dots at the bottom. Which just seems to be going. I thought I was going to do something more exciting. Oh, hey up. I've already done the checking for updates. Right, so I've registered. I don't want any parental controls. Now it's preparing my remote for setup. D45. What? Play music. Better not be copyrighted music, I'll be angry. Okay. Oh, BBC iPlayer. Thank God for that. So we'll go for BBC iPlayer. We'll go for YouTube. We'll go for we'll go for UK Play. Is that it? Is that all there is? Okay. Press thingy to continue. Unless the other ones are already there. Right, so we've got Amazon Prime. So let's do the voice thing. The Grand Tour. The Grand Tour. What's there? Okay. BBC iPlayer. So it doesn't automatically start it. Do I have to tell it to start? Oh, God's sake. Yeah, that's fine. Start ITV Hub.
Here you go.
Right, that's not ITV Hub, is it? TV player. Ah, this could be the good one. Oh, first month free. That means you have to pay for it. You can sod that off. Anyway, we got it working. To a degree. EKTV. Yesterday's one of my favourite non-main channels. Classic EastEnders. Let's go to A to Z. Let's find it. Abandoned engineering. Abandoned engineering. There we go. So we've got season 1. Seasons and episodes. So I've seen all season 1, I've seen all season 2, I've seen all season 3. Hang on. That's seasons. I've seen all season 2. I've seen all season 3. I've seen all season 4. I think I've seen all season 5. But I've not seen any of season 6. So that's going to be fun. I do like Abandoned Engineering. I do recommend it immensely. It is superb. Really good. So, yeah, there you go then. That ends this video. Thanks for watching and all that. See you again. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, subscribe.